To record your presentation using Zoom, first make sure you have created a Zoom account and installed the Zoom app to your computer. You can find those steps in the resource documentation called Activating Your Zoom Account. Your first step in recording via Zoom is to open the slide presentation you have created so they are ready when you begin to record. Regardless of what slide program you use to create your presentation, whether it is PowerPoint, Google Slides, or another program, the steps for recording the presentation in Zoom will be the same. Open Zoom by clicking the Zoom app icon, which most likely will be accessible via your taskbar or through a shortcut icon on your computer's main screen or desktop. From Zoom's home screen, click on New Meeting. This will immediately open up a Zoom meeting room. If you have a webcam or built-in camera, this may automatically open once you open the Zoom meeting room. You will also be prompted to click on Join with Computer Audio to confirm you are going to use either a built-in or external microphone. An important thing to note about your camera is if you do not wish to record your camera, you can turn it off by clicking on the video icon in the lower left-hand corner. However, you may want to confirm with your instructor if having your camera on is part of the assignment. By clicking on the upward arrow next to the video icon, you will see the camera options available to you based on your hardware and setup. If you plan to use your camera and it does not turn on for you either by toggling on the video icon or upon entering your Zoom meeting room, check this menu to make sure you have the correct camera turned on or selected. Likewise, to confirm you have the right audio source selected, if you have more than one, click on the audio menu arrow to reveal your built-in audio mic options and any other mic sources you have set up, such as a headset with microphone. The green volume bar will rise and fall inside the microphone icon to indicate your audio is turned on. To pull in or make your presentation visible within the meeting room, click on the Share menu option. This will open a window which reveals the screens and applications you currently have available and open on your computer. The simplest way to share your presentation is to do it through the Share Screen option instead of the Share Application option. This is helpful in the event you open other links or documents through the course of your presentation. Select the screen and click on the Share button to confirm. Your meeting room will minimize in the upper right-hand corner. If you are using your camera, this is where it will appear in the recording. If you are not using your camera, you can hide this thumbnail from view. The Share menu will also appear. When needed, hover on the green portion of the Share menu to expand the options. This menu will not appear in your recording. A green border will appear to indicate that the screen is being actively shared within your Zoom meeting room. When you are ready to begin recording your presentation, first enter slideshow mode. In this example, a Google Slide presentation is being used. Make sure you click directly on the slideshow itself to confirm the slideshow is the active window rather than the meeting room. To begin recording your slideshow, hover over the Share menu as previously mentioned. Under the More drop-down, select Record. A pulsing red dot on the Share menu will indicate you are actively recording. Begin presenting and navigating through your slides. In this instance, pressing the Enter key on the keyboard advances the slides. If you attempt to advance your slides and nothing happens, remember to click directly on the slideshow to confirm it is the active application on your computer screen. Once you are done recording, go back up to the Share menu, select More, and click on Stop Recording. Then select Stop Share to get back to the main Zoom meeting room. When you are finished at this stage, it is important to select Exit, then End Meeting for All, as this will end the meeting and trigger the processing of your recorded presentation to a video file. Once the conversion is complete, your file directory will open to display where on your computer the recording is saving by default. However, for easier access, you can simply drag and drop the video file to your desktop or to another folder of your choice.